Hello again. I am at the last power of this segment, nature healing. Epitome of all healing. Just for starters, I want to say, nature. I don't think you can really be a nature healer. Now, I don't know what he's doing, not in bug form, but anyways, nature healing. You're hot based
For a warm-up, you'll face some of Darkseid's most devoted
everywhere.
yet most meager minions.
It
Even
is one of the
first-class like
only
you should be
healing
able to handle
powers
them.
can be done without a troll. Now, I I preferably have a troll if I'm nature healing, but in which case, not in raids, so technically we can control this, but I'm not going to complain. We got a body. So, win-win. But, let's get down to brass tacks. Nature healing, or I hand the floor over to him healing, because I don't have my nature healer anymore. There is one power that you don't use because it cancels all your hots. I'm going to tell you that right away. I don't know the power name, but that should mean something, and I nature healed for a year. So,
Granny has invited
for
some
anything
elderly
else,
friends from home for
Temp,
their visits, if
explain
only
what
to
you're doing.
gorge themselves
Show me how to
too.
nature heal. What are we doing?
It sounds
Okay.
expensive.
I'm not in bug form right now because I wanted to someone picking up first. Got that off me. Okay. As I said, I'm not in bug form right now. But I want to just demonstrate into bug form. Okay. Now that I'm in bug form, the first hit is Hive Mind. That'll give me power back by 2 hots, which is Savage Growth and Metabolism. They each last for, I believe, about 30 seconds. My third power on.
Sorry to interrupt you, Temp, but it's laggy as...
Okay.
I'd start where you started off with.
Okay, where did I start off? Was I on Savage Metabolism? Okay, those are the hots I'm using. With Hive Mind, gives me back power when I use them. They last for 30 seconds. Fourth one on my insect bar is Harvest, which is an instant heal. It also is a great stun. And what's different about this stun than with controllers is an ice and something, the tank can actually pull it.
Now, by
My
pulling it doesn't mean you have a delay as a pull.
meaning it's stunned, but it acts like it's not for pulling purposes.
And I don't have the power on hand. Do you know the name of the one that takes away all...
Not off the top of my head.
Again, it shows how much we actually use that shit power.
Also, as you can see here, nature grabs a hell of a lot of aggro.
So nature tank is possible.
Yeah.
Now, the hots, my remembrance, they stop actually being effective, like effective after 30 seconds.
Yeah.
But after about 5 seconds, you want to reapply. Start getting shitty at 5 seconds. I know that for a fact. And is there anything that we need to know about elsewise, or can we just
What
visualize
power?
things?
Yeah.
Cutting out severely.
Form shield. Okay.
Any of the shields.
I tried to get it.
Alright,
Okay.
seems to be remedied. Again, I fucking hate. Anyways, go on. Go on.
Yes, I was saying the fifth power. Do Lex have Swarm Shield? Well, I do have that on my regular loadout, and I can switch. My fifth power slot, I keep a supercharged. It's a really powerful instant shield, which you know, for emergencies. And of course,
What I'm gonna do
to turn back into
off
insect,
the audio,
human form.
I'm gonna have him
Which on human
see
form I have an
what we can do here with nature because I can't seem to get a solid fucking connection. To make things sweet and short, your hots are massive speed-wise. And just get a visual of what's going on. I'm not gonna use rage healing because I need you guys to see what he can do. For the video. Alright, it seems up some of this clutter has been cleaned up a little bit. Anyways, where were we at on this nature healing? Miss anything?
no.
Or anything else I need to know about? I mean, open book.
Not really. I do have my bug form loadout, all my healing powers on there, also on my normal, so I can, in my normal form, when I switch to use my shield, I can still use this loadout. Because with nature, you get like 2 loadouts when you use insect form.
So the insect form he's using, the loadout should be on the page above you. Let this video...
Now you see me here and over here.
I don't play this shitty best right now connection-wise. Just give a watch. I'm gonna give you about 5 more minutes to watch. It should give you plenty to get the gist
Clear.
of what you're feeling. I also forgot my annoyance with this alert. I don't know if you guys have done FE or not. I don't know if you haven't learned it. I'm going to show you how to do this. The first room, it was a display of so many fuck-ups with the lag.
Well, Kid
So-
Flash is never fucking really.
Kid Flash is never fun. So, anyways, you just need to match up colors. This one, go 2 by 2. Have to block and roll.
Whose backs would she stand on if not
So,
theirs?
as you can see,
Perhaps
Mean
you
Lady
physical
Red Shirt
first
here,
creatures have
you're
also
going here.
learned the value of using each other to
And
advance. And hurry. This
both
exam
those
won't
first
be timed.
up there go. Those two stay there. Block and roll up here. Every time you say someone say 2 by 2, you do this shit. I can't express how much I hate seeing people, one person on a pad, another person on a pad, they go up and then now we're fucking stuck because no one in the front wants to go all the way back and failed the test. Grades, you gotta pass it.
And these balls suck.
Balls is you just displayed. Best you can do is stop blocking and block fast.
Well, aren't
That's
you
just
all
this
full of
test.
surprises? You passed this test.
Okay. For test.
Would you oblige them in their
Goal
sacrifice
here
of
is,
their
well, for one, not to lag. You have a little thing on your head? It's for little pretty panels. Up. This one's generally easy. This isn't a guide how to do FE. I'm expressing my how many people fail these tests. That'll be the end of this video. Thank you for watching.
I thrive in conflict.
Enjoy learning shit, I guess.